They're so big, huh? So big. Dangerous. Be careful. My God. Look at that. Oh. Don't you worry, we also have the bathroom, so don't worry. Also have some souvenir store around here. Like you can go inside, huh? They have some souvenir stuff for sure, so I never know it before. You can buy like, oh, so nice. See? Wow, so nice. Hello. Okay. They also have coffee shop. So nice. Then you can drink some coffee around here. You're tired. not just like this. You can also have like restaurant around here, bro. Here. Over there you can see the chair. Everything. We have like tiny restaurant around here. Okay. You can enjoy. You can like eating. It's a cheap price. Okay. Look. Oh my God! It's so natural. It's a lot like tree, like very cool, bro. So relaxed, so relaxed. You can, yes, come to enjoy your day in here. It's the best location. Yeah, really nice. Ooh, I go back from the mountain. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We walk through the another best location. Okay, you call the big watch on the Wat Phnom location. So let's go to check it out. Woo. And you turn west. See the atmosphere, bro. This there like tattoo of the king of Cambodian. See, it's so nice. And the right side is the Apsara. Okay, and the left side the like French flag. Okay, so damn. This is the big wall. You can see here, it's the big one, okay? Very big. Around this area we also have another place to visit, like on that side we call the US Embassy. US Embassy, see the US Embassy flag. Over there is the hotel, Sunway Hotel. So you can go another lot of places south. Around this area we have a lot of stores. You can buy some food, some like eating. It's around the Wat Phnom. So I show you guys some place that you can like buy. Okay, all there is like the market, and you can go. Right. It's like the food you can buy here, and there's some food. Yes, it's the community here. You can buy around here. Huh? These are around the Wat Phnom area. We can see the restaurant, the small, the street food. You can come to grab some. I'll tell you like, yeah. Coffee, whatever. See? They also sell picture. Here is what it is. What Phnom is. It is what it is. Let's go back. Oh, there like we have an hotel, big hotel one. It's the best day of my life. I really like this day. It's around this area, like you see, like the natural, like the everything. It definitely good. I recommend you to come around 7, 8 a.m. or 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. because the weather is good, the temperature is very good on during that time. Because like when you go or when you come during not that time, maybe a little bit hot, so the temperature is very high. You know what? I think Cambodia is a tropical country, that's why it's hot. I would recommend you to like come here around 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. It's definitely very hot, super hot. Okay. It's around this area. You can enjoy the building, the like everything around here. Okay.